Start. Okay, so now what I'm trying to teach you is, I think all of you are there, right? Yes? Should we start? Finally?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you open your, okay, let me share my screen first, right? Because you are not able to see that. Mm, Present now, your entire screen. Okay. Share. Okay. Are you able to see Photoshop?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
as you all know, suppose I want to open any file in Photoshop, file menu, open, and you can open whatever photos that you would like to open. Now, some basic things are, if you want to know that what is the size of your image, you can go to image, check image size. This is my image size. Fine. You can resize your image uh, simply here itself. If I want to make it 300, I can do. But if I do 300, as you can see here, the number of pixels get increased. So initially, what were the number of pixels? Let me check. Image size, 5,000 almost. So what we'll do is we'll do 300, and here we'll do 5,000. So again, it is same image but with different resolution. Get it? This is what we can do with Photoshop. Other than this, here is a tab called filter. Like we'll go to filter later on. Let me go to image first. There is a tab called adjustments. So normally, whatever filters that you are using in Instagram and all, everything that you are doing there, that you can do it here also. Here are different options available which you can utilize to make your image look proper. Okay, so image adjustment. This is how you can set your brightness and contrast. Okay. Make one more thing, like one thing very clear in your mind when you do this thing. It is possible that your image is such that if you increase your contrast, your background will get like nullified. Sometimes effect is you want to give effect to your background, not to your foreground. That kind of scenario can come. So in that kind of cases, what you can do is you can utilize any of this selection tool. You can apply that selection tool. Suppose I only want to change this face. Suppose feather 50, so that it can be. Now if I do anything, that will happen only on selected area, right? So as you can see now, my background will not get changed. So that would be the advantage. Yeah, this was the thing. Now this is the, and Command D or Control D. So this is how you can apply adjustment. There are different things. Levels, it will give you more white black color. Like, see, if I want to make it more brighter, this is the thing. You can make always see the background. It got export, right? So Explorer is not that good. So I need a green color of this. So that's why try to make it suitable. Normally, when you see the images, it looks more green, more yellow. That is because of the saturation. So there is a tab called saturation. Use saturation. Here it is a master channel. So what it will do, it will expose the colors. So now it will look brighter. Same way you can apply hue also. But normally, don't mess with it much. You can increase the brightness and contrast. So this is what you can do with your image. Other than that, as I said, normally many professional photographers are using curves also a lot. So that you can do, right? To, okay, it is more sharp one. So this is the preview. Okay, this is the original image. I think original looks better. So don't tilt it much. Same way you can go with color balance, right? You are having cyan, magenta and yellow color. You can add the colors in your image as per your wish. Suppose you want to make some particular color image, you can apply that and you can get the effect. this is a new filter that you would like to use. Suppose I want to make it a little bit pink, then it can be done like this. So whatever you are doing with your, what you can say, okay, here also you can give the color to your, suppose instead of yellow, giving this density you can increase, it is hardly affected. Let's take some brighter color. Okay. Sometimes it takes time because it is taking. Okay, if you can see the line comes, but it is very slightly affect your image. But this also you can do to change your image. This is some basic tricks are you can use invert to make it negative. Now how this thing helpful to you is, suppose you want to change your color from white to black or black to white, or some logo is not suitable. Suppose let me wait a minute. Go to this. Suppose this is one logo. Okay. Close. 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 Suppose I want to put that logo over here. The background color of my, here I want to put the logo. So I open the logo here. Go to desktop, open it. This thing, put it over here. What happens? Okay, so many of the times it is possible that you are not able to get it. So Control C, Control V is directly not X. Now, as you can see, it is not in contrast. So in this kind of cases, you can directly go to this, make it invert, and now it is visible. And it is in a contrast color of whatever color it was initially available. So in this kind of cases, this tool is useful. Other than this, many of the times you want to make your image black and white. So for that, there is a command like tab called desaturate, and directly it will make your image black and white. Just see. Now, according to your requirement, you can make it dark, light, right? So that is always possible. Okay, so this is what my image will look like now, black and white image. So this is also you can do with your Photoshop. So this is one mode desaturate that you can use. Same way, there is a term called replace color. So this is one tab which you can use, as it is black and white image. So currently we can't do that. So better go to history, make it open again, right? Go to image, adjustment, and replace color. Here also you can increase your saturation and everything, and you can change your image. It will look like this. See. So if you want to change the color of your image totally, that also possible. You can increase brightness, contrast also. Now, based on your experience, you can decide which color you want and which kind of what you can say adjustment you want in your photograph. Okay, if you want to convert your image into black and white image, there is a tab called threshold. It will directly convert your image into black and white. So directly, this is my black and white image. This is not grayscale image. Huh? Make one thing clear in your mind that there are three kinds of image: color image, grayscale image, where you are having grades from 0 to 255, and this is black and white image. So all pixels will be 0 or 1. Now here also you can do adjustment and you can make colors like black and white image according to your wish. So this is all about adjustment that you can do on your photographs to make your image look more better. Fine. Other than this, here is one tab called filter. In filter, you are having many facilities like available. Okay, like blur. Many of the times, suppose I want to write down Sapan Nayak. Let me make the font 200. All capital. Sorry, all capital. Okay, this is not very bold, so make it bold. Now, suppose still, if I put it here, I am not able to see anything here. So what I can do is I can go to select this part, go to layer, select bottom layer, Okay, go to filter. Okay, but it will make very sharp because I have not applied feather. So it will make the blur, but it will make it sharp. You can apply Gaussian blur. So as you can see, the particular part is get blurred. Command D. So this is the part which get blurred. If you don't want to do something like this, after selection, apply feather. Suppose I apply feather of 150. So now my filter will get applied, but sorry, Gaussian blur will get applied, but it is not applying. Okay, cancel because I've already selected filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now it is smooth. So command. Now it is quite visible. Now if you can change the color of your font, it may be visible. So, no. Yeah. Okay. Still you want to make it more visible. What you can do is, can you tell me? I want to make my font visible. What can I do? Can someone suggest me something?
स्ट्रोक यूज कर
Huh?
स्ट्रोक यूज करी सके
You can use stroke, or in this kind of case where I don't want to use stroke, I can use outer glue. Fine. Make more spread so it will not look like that. Yeah. Done. Make the opacity less. Done. So now it is quite visible. Fine. So anything like this you can do. So filters are there, blur is there. Suppose you want to, like, I want to give the glass effect to my image. So I can go to distort. I can go and give effect called ripple. As you can see, it will give the ripple effect to my image, and my full image will get changed. If you make it zoom, you can see it is like a glass image. So this is also possible by different filters. If I do Control Z, it will get removed. Fine. Another thing that you can do is picture it. Okay. Many of the times to create the background, you can utilize all these things. See, now what happens? This is what my image will look like. Suppose Control Z. I want to make the background for this image, and I want to put this image in the background. So what I can do is I can duplicate this image. Fine. I am hiding this. Okay, I am selecting above image. Make this thing smaller. Okay, make this thing smaller. If you are using some square tool for putting something on your Instagram, then you might aware with this. Okay, let me select this. Okay, PC gets slower, so let's wait for some time to get. It is not able to take too much load. Okay, while it will get started, let me discuss some more points. Let it be get stable. Okay. Hello. Are you there?
हाँ सर
Okay. આ થાય ને ત્યાં સુધીમાં let me discuss some other things, right? Let it get settled. Okay. Some basic thing are when you are dealing with designs, as a designer, there are some qualities which is expected from all of you. So which are that qualities which is expected? First, you should be able to see it for a longer period of time, because creating an image is not easy thing, and it is not a 2 sitting 3 sitting process. It is not like your project where you can sit multiple times and finish your project. It is a single time. So when you are doing something, if you finish it in a single shot, it will give you better result than normal result, right? Normally you can do it multiple times, but still. Okay, so make this thing clear. If you want to do some good designing, make the habit to sit for a longer period of time. Now what we are doing is, suppose this is my image, Control T, make it smaller. Okay, now this is my image. Okay, let me give the border. How to give border? Stroke 10. Okay, and this is my background. Now in Instagram, you have many times seen that your background get blurred. So if you want to do that same thing here, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, apply the Gaussian blur as per your wish, and now it is ready. So this is what you are getting in your Instagram normally when you make your image square, which is not actually initially square. Other than this, if you want to make the background, okay, then in that case, this layer is available. Go to filters. Suppose let's distort it little bit. We give, okay, it is not doing anything. Uh, Let us put tiles, right? Okay, okay. Now go to filter, go to blur, and give the radial blur. So what it will do is it will make your image a nice radial look. So let's wait. Yeah. So now this is my new background. Same way, there are different filters called uh, motion blur. So it will give you the motion. It will give you the angle also. Suppose I want to little bit tilt angle. Yeah. Image is already blurred, so I think nothing is happening much. But still, suppose if you want to stylize it, okay. By the way, there is one filter gallery available. Go to this filter gallery. Okay. Make it minimize. Now here different effect that you can provide to your. Okay. This is the sketch effect that you can give to your image or artistic. Suppose I want to make it sponge. Okay. This is not looking very good. So let's do watercolor. I want to give watercolor effect. Okay. By the way, are you able to listen me?
Yes, sir.
Then it is okay. Watercolor effect. I can increase the shadowing effect. It will make it black. So make it 0. Can I increase texture? Okay. Brush details you can increase. Okay, now make it okay. Now this is how my output actually look like. Now still I'm not happy with this. Then what I can do is I can go to layers, create one more layer, put it in the background. Suppose I want green color in my background. Yeah, take on some lighter color. Go to this. This is a gradient that you can utilize. You can choose any gradient from this. Okay, here there are different methods of gradient. So we'll apply one gradient here. Okay, I have applied that gradient over here. This is my upper layer. Now I will reduce the opacity of my upper layer. Okay, so now this is how my background will look like. Yeah, suppose you want to give some lighting or something to your upper image, you can go here, go to render, put some lens flare, right? Okay, you can increase the brightness on how to look like some little bit light, but because it is the less opacity, we are not able to see currently. So what we'll do is we'll make the opacity move. Okay, still you are not able to see this. Control T. You can now see. Control T. Yeah, now it looks nice. So this is how you can create your background also. You can do other stuff also, stylize, emboss. What it will do is cancel. Let me select the upper image. Filter, stylize, oil paint. So what it will do, it will make the image look like an oil painting image. So everything that you can do, but it will take a little bit of processing time. So currently due to streaming going on, it is taking too much time. But normally for normal image, it will not take that much time. So it is not the issue much. Okay. So let's stop sharing this. Okay. Chalo. Now I think I have stopped the sharing. Are you able to listen me? And are you there, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First of all, extremely sorry that there are so many lectures going on, so I am not able to, what you can say, speak it properly. Now, I hope all of you have written your enrollment number, right? Because we need to take your attendance also in chat box. So if you have not written it yet, write it down in chat box. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I would like to discuss is, thing is, as a designer, I want to discuss this thing because not only your designing skill matters. Many of the times you can make a very nice design, very good stuff in simple PowerPoint also. I have seen that, right, in the initial lectures. So many of the times the knowledge of tool doesn't matter. As a designer, how good you are, that matters. So there are some things that you need to take care. First, timing. Suppose tomorrow we'll have Ganesh Chaturthi, right? And if I need a banner of Ganesh Chaturthi, it should be given to me before tomorrow's event. Otherwise, it is useless. Yes? So this thing matters. So suppose you are submitting something, you need to submit it on time. Timing matters a lot as far as designing is concerned. So many of the times good designing is not always needed. Sometimes it is needed on time because sometimes like festivals and everything is there, you need it to submit on time. So that is the requirement. Second requirement, client is the king. So many of the time client wants that I want this kind of design only. So you need to give it. Though aesthetically it don't look as good as your thought, but still you can make it better and you can do something with the client's requirement and you can make it better, right? Because suppose you are making a YouTube poster and if you make a very nice design but there is no YouTube logo is there but it is in very small size, that will not work. If you want to promote YouTube, you need to put YouTube logo in a proper font, proper size. Yes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the next thing. Third thing, normally as a designer, a common mistake that I do a lot is spelling. So content should be right. Otherwise, your design will go in vain. Whatever you do, if your content is not right in your design, that will not help. Fine. So the content in your design should be correct. So make it verified twice before publishing somewhere. I think Sumit has the nice experience in last design because we have changed a lot. A good thing is, where is Sumit? He's there.
Yes, sir.
But the good thing is he was always there and he has changed 3 times. So I expect that kind of dedication for designing. Then you can do a good designing, right? So he actually clap for him that he has made a design and he has changed it thrice. And that is also in a given time, very nicely. So very nice. And I am expecting same kind of dedication if you are going to work in designing from everyone. At least if you are having some design, you should be able to do it and able to change it as per the requirement of client as soon as they want. So make that thing in your mind. Start making designing. As I said, see, I have currently shown you all the adjustment, all the filters. થાય શું ખબર નવું નવું શીખે ને એટલે લોકો બહુ બધું યુઝ કરે. Many of the time simple designs are looks more better than the chaos and all that of designing. So aesthetic matters a lot. તમે કેટલું સારું ફોટોશોપ વાપરો છો એ મેટર નથી કરતું. તમારું એસ્થેટિક સેન્સ કેટલી સારી છે તે મેટર કરે છે. Yeah, if you
Yes,
see,
sir.
if you see Apple's designing shadow, still it look better. So there is no need to always go for usage of tool much. Like thing is, you need to make the concept clear in your mind. That is more required, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more thing that I would like to discuss, and that's why I have arranged this meeting, is I am not getting good response from your class. Thing is, good response in a sense that like I am getting the response, but not as expected. Suppose there is a class of 100 students, I am expecting that at least there are 50 students who can do the work, and those who are actually interested in designing, right? Because it is a part of a job. I am like happy to share you that based like there are very limited posts of designers. In single company, suppose there is a website designing company, normally designing part is done by a Photoshop designer or a UX UI designer. They will design something and the coder will code it. and the salary of designer is more than the coder many of the times, or it is equivalent. So it is a quite good job. So I'm expecting that at least 50% of the students take interest. If you are good in this will be a very plus point in your resume, that you are good in coding, but you are also a good designer, and that will help you a lot in company. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm expecting is, मैं तुमने किधर लोगों ने 5 design मोकलजो, or I have told you to submit me a banner of 15th August. It is good that there are 8 to 10 students who have submitted the designs. I have posted on YouTube, Instagram also. Okay, but this is very less. I am expecting at least 25 to 30 designs, and I need to reject other 20 to select the 10. But એવું થતું નથી. મારી પાસે આવેલી 10 હોય, which are very limited, so I need to post it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I am expecting you people
Sir.
to at least start doing little bit of design. As I told you, it is not the constraint to go for Photoshop only. There are so many tools available which you can utilize and make a great design, right? If you want to make a great design. Currently, I am in iPad. So suppose you are having an iPad available, I would like to share one app, right? Let me. Huh? Yeah. So let me share one screen. Okay. It will get shared soon. Okay. So suppose if you take, this is one of the finest app available in iPad. This is a Procreate. So I hope all of you have heard about CorelDRAW. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the difference between CorelDRAW and Photoshop? Can anyone tell me what is the difference?
CorelDRAW is vector editing, but Photoshop is photo editing.
અરે વાહ, બોલો બોલો, એટલે વિરાજ બી જીવતો છે એમ ને? મને તો એમ કે ગયો.
ના સર એવું કઈ નથી.
Okay, okay, okay. તો છે એમ ને? You are right, perfectly right. But what is the difference? Vector design and graphics design, basic design, bitmap design. What is the difference in both of them?
ફોટોઝમાં સર ફોટોઝ જોડે પિક્સલ્સ જોડે, બટ વેક્ટર્સમાં કેવું શેપ્સ જોડે કામ થાય એવું બધું.
શાના જોડે કામ થાય vectors માં?
શેપ્સ.
Good. Exactly. So vector is vector, normally mathematical vector. And while in Photoshop you are working with pixels. એટલે આ સપોઝ બીયુ પટેલની ઇમેજ છે, હું એને ગમે એટલી મોટી કરું ને, જો ફોટોશોપમાં ઓપન કરું તો આ ઇમેજ ફાટી જાય, બરાબર? But suppose if I work on vectors like this, okay, and now if I zoom it, it will not get scratched, right? Why? Because it is vector. In the background, it is stored as number, mathematical equation. So they just need to change the line equation and your line will get as big as possible. So the advantage of vector is you can, what is the advantage? You can make it as big as you would like to make. So suppose તમારે hoarding બનાવવું હોય 50 feet by 50 feet અને એને VR મોલ પાસે લગાડવું હોય અને તમે ફોટોશોપમાં ઓરિજિનલ સાઇઝમાં બનાવવા જાઓ તો તમારથી નહીં બને, તમારું પીસી હેંગ જ થઈ જાય, તમારી કેપેસિટી નહીં એટલું બનાવી શકે. 50 inch by 15 inch into 300 dpi, just think. So for that you need to make it in CorelDRAW. When you make a normal design, suppose 10 inch by 10 inch, and then when you want to save it as 50 feet by 50 feet, just export it. જો તમારે ખાલી export કરો ને ત્યારે વાર લાગે, otherwise it will work. So that is the difference between vector design and bitmap design. As Viraj has correctly said, it is working with your pixels, so it is this is the limitation, right? And vector is the advantage. Suppose this line is there, it will store everything in the form of line, shapes, equations. So you are having the equations available in the background, so you can make it as big as possible. That is not possible in Photoshop. In Photoshop, you need to decide your size in advance and you need to make it accordingly. Otherwise, it will not get bigger. Yeah? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what I'm trying to tell you is this is one of the applications, suppose Procreate, right? So this is very, very one of the finest applications that currently many professionals are used to customize this thing. Same way, you are here, see what kind of things you can make here. Like, there is no copyright issue. A full design is prepared in the same software. Just see. અને ઉપર બધા જે કરેલું છે મેં કરેલું છે ખોટું ખોટું શીખવા માટે, but still it's that good. A full image is prepared. no copyright issue. You can create your own logo and everything. So what I'm suggesting is, other than Photoshop, you can go for PPT, you can go for PixArt, even you can go for what you can say. Okay, now are you able to see me? Hello,
No, sir.
hello.
No, sir.
तो कैमरा चालू करो.
Done. So what I'm expecting is, at least હું એમ નહીં કહેતો કે તમને ફોટોશોપ બહુ જ મસ્ત આવડવું જોઈએ, but at least try to learn another tool or some other tool. Just make your aesthetic good. Try to make your aesthetic good. And aesthetic good ક્યારે થાય? When you do lots of practice. Make this thing very clear. Your first design will look worst after 5 to 10 years to you, if you are a designer, because your designing sense will get improved once you do some practices. Which color looks better, which colors don't suit good, not going well. Suppose if you want to make something with YouTube logo, we normally keep it yellow background or blue background, light blue background. Why? Because it is in pink and blue color. So if you use black color, any dark color, it will not, like, you're not able to see it properly. So this is the basic understanding that I got after working to YouTube for 1 to 2 years. And પછી મને ખબર પડી કે ભાઈ આ જ વાપરવાનો, white, yellow or this. That's why all designs are like that. So same way, if you work more, you can get it more. સમજ પડી?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What assignment I have given to you till date? Can you tell me? તમને મેં શું આપ્યું છે કરવા? Can anyone tell me what assignment I have given to you till date? Hello? Hello? માંગવાનું નહીં, ખાલી મને કેવું કે મેં શું આપ્યું છે, મને યાદ નથી એમ.
એક બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ ઓર આપેલું.
એક Instagram post માટે આપેલું.
Okay, forget about everything. Chalo, we'll start with a scratch. But now I want something from all of you, right? From today onwards, I want 10 designs. How many? 10 good designs that you need to show me. Okay, all images should be in square, compulsory. All 10 images. તમારું બધું વર્ક સ્ક્વેર જ હોવું જોઈએ. Resolution is 2000 by 2000 pixels, 300 dpi. Hello.
Yes, sir.
2000 by 2000 pixels, 300 dpi. This is what I want. Okay, square images, 10 different images. 2 must be slogans with YouTube logo. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Other than that, 8 images you can make as per your wish, but there should be some work that you can define. There should be something new. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
deadline to submit these 10 images is next week, next Saturday. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. So now do work. Okay. Before submitting, you need to show me on WhatsApp. Send me as normal image. I will check it, give you correction, do that correction, and then you need to submit. Once I approve it. Before, like, my approval will take lots of time. So in a single shot, it will not get approved. Make it very clear. So if you make one image, it will go through 2 to 3 verification, modification, then you need to submit it. So it will take time. Fine.
yes, sir.
ઓકે, તમારે મને 10 ઇમેજ સબમિટ કરાવવાની છે as soon as possible. ચલો, નો ડેડલાઇન, એ પણ તમને નહીં કહેતો, બરાબર? બટ એટલીસ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ મેકિંગ ઇટ, સેન્ડ ઇટ ટુ મી, આઈ વિલ વેરીફાઈ ઇટ, લેટ યુ નો વોટ આર ધી ચેન્જીસ એન્ડ ધેન યુ કેન સબમિટ ઇટ. ફાઇન?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
ચલો
Sir.
ચાલુ કરો. હા બોલો.
આગળની 5 ગણીને 10 કરે તો ચાલે ને?
હા ચાલે ચાલે, ટોટલ 10 વ્યવસ્થિત. પણ પહેલેથી હું ચેક કરીશ, મને આગળની બી નહીં ગમે તો પાછો કહી દે કે આ પાછું બનાવો, બરાબર?
ઓકે.
હા, એટલે મને હવે 10 ઇમેજ જોઈએ ટોટલ. આગળ અહીં જે કરેલો હોય તે તમે 10 બનાવી કાઢી લે તો તે 10 બી મોકલો તો ચાલે, મને વાંધો નથી. બટ આઈ વિલ ગીવ યુ કરેક્શન ઓન ધેટ ઓલ્સો. ડન?
ઓકે.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. I want to make you people your portfolio, like, and your portfolio should look better than others. So try to make it as good as possible. Fine?
ઓકે
Yes, sir.
ઓકે ચલો હવે લેક્ચર ઓવર ગો એન્ડ સ્ટાર્ટ વોટ પ્રિપેરિંગ ચલો
Hello, Jaypur.